Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title of this video, that this video is going to be about how I apply my lashes. So if you want to see how I apply my lashes, definitely keep watching. To start out, how I apply my lashes, let's begin with the lashes that I use. Now, it really doesn't matter the type of lashes that you use, it's up to you. But me personally, I typically like a lash with a thinner band. And I've been using these lashes. These I received from one of my makeup subscription boxes. It is a pack of 5, and these are by Ricky's NYC. So if you're in New York, you can purchase these lashes at Ricky's. And they are 5 pairs for $9.99, so that's about $2 a lash, which isn't very bad. And the lash band is very thin. It's easier to bend and maneuver to customize to your eye shape. And also, what I've been using lately is this Duo lash glue. Now, some people don't like this lash glue, and to be honest, I don't like it either, because this lash glue does not adhere to the eyes very well. This red one. I typically use this blue one by Duo, the green one. And this one has a brush applicator. Let me see if I can open it for you. It comes in a little tube like this, and you just use the brush to apply the glue to your lashes. So this is the one that I typically use, but since I have this one, I just want to hurry up and use it and get rid of it, because I don't like to waste money. So I did pay about $6 or $7 for this. I want to get my money's worth and go ahead and use it. And another lash glue that I like is the blue one, and this is the only one that I had to show you, but they sometimes come in the pack with the lashes, but this one is the blue Duo lash glue. And these lashes are by Ardell, and I like these lashes as well. These are the 110, and these are for basic everyday wear. Nothing too dramatic or spectacular about them, but if you're new to lashes, I recommend that you pick up the Wet n Wild lashes, which you can purchase at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, those types of stores. That way you're only spending $1 on some lashes, and if you just want to sit down in front of a mirror and practice, that's a good way to get started, because that's how I learned to apply my lashes. And also, the key tip to applying lashes is to always, when you begin to apply your lashes, always go in with a mascara. It doesn't matter what mascara you use. If you have a favorite brand, just apply a very, very light layer of mascara to your lashes before you apply them. And another tip that I can also give you guys is also, everyone's eye shape is different. So you can't just open up a pair of lashes and just want to apply them to your eyes. You have to customize them to your eye shape. So what I do is, say for instance, these are a fresh pair of lashes that I'm using. What I do is I go to the end of the lash and I just cut off the end according to my eye shape. I put it on as I open up the package, and I see how far out that lash goes, and then I just cut off the end, and that will let me know how much of the lash to cut off. And normally it's just about maybe just one cluster of lashes that I'm cutting off, no more than that. And that helps me with customizing them as well. And to apply the lashes, it is best that you use a tweezer or a lash applicator. In this set, it comes with a lash applicator. This applicator is a little bit too small for me to handle, so I don't like to use this one. I personally like to use my tweezers, and I use the tweezers to either pick up the lash and also to apply the lash. So I just pick it up with my tweezer like this and just drop it down. Another tip for your lashes is to also wait the 30 seconds until they are tacky. Put the glue on, you fan it. Some people like to blow it. It's up to you what you want to do, just as long as you're not blowing lashes that you're going to apply to someone else. So I typically blow and fan at the same time. 30 seconds, you can count to 20 if you like, and then just go in and just apply. I like to apply on the middle, apply it on the middle, and then it'll stick to your eye. So then I would work in on the outer corner and then with the inner corner pushing up. So I'll begin with that process, and I'll zoom you all in a moment and show you how I apply my lashes. So I zoomed you in pretty close so that you can see my eyes up close. So I'm looking down because I have my lashes on the table. So let's start with the first lash. This is the lash, and I put it on the tweezer. And these aren't a fresh set of lashes. These are some that I've been wearing this week. And I am applying my glue. And this glue is almost done, so I'm trying to squeeze out. Just apply the glue.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
A very thin layer. And now you wait a few seconds. You can fan or you can blow it. And excuse my crazy look today, but I really wanted to hurry up and get this video up because people have been requesting this. So I just wanted to get it up as soon as possible. So I think it's been about 30 seconds or so. And I'll just move in just a little bit closer and down. Okay, so I moves it down just a little bit. Now, people say to not close your eyes, but me, because my lashes get in the way, I like to close my eyes so that I can see my full lash band. And I'm not perfect, so sometimes I get glue all over, and then I just work on the end and go on the inner corner. And there, that's the first lash. So that's me looking down. And this is the lash when I look up. So that is how I apply the lash. And you can just use your finger to push the lash up just to make sure the glue sticks. And like I said, some people don't recommend that you close your eye, but because of how I am angled and how I'm trying to record so that you can see, I have to look down, but typically I have a mirror in front of me and I'm looking down into the mirror. So get you a mirror, one of those tabletop mirrors that spin, and you can flip it and you can point it down and look down into the mirror, so that once you have your glue on there, you can look down into the mirror and see your lash band, and you can go ahead and place the lash on there. So that is it for today's video with applying lashes. I hope that this helps you with your lashes, and I hope to see you in the next video.